Hey guys, how you doing? It is the 27th of December 2019 and I want to show you a strange phenomena that is happening right now. Let me just stop riding. So this, you see it? I don't know what it is, but I'm not getting wet. And it's looks like it's kind of heavy, doesn't it? It almost looks like silk, like spider webs, doesn't it? Like billions and billions of spider webs. The sky, it's not really, you can't see it on the video. It's much more orange, really kind of polluted, really. So I'm wondering, what is this? I just wanted to show you guys. Kind of weird, isn't it? Because it looks like it's coming down super heavy, but I'm not getting wet. So I'm thinking, is it some kind of metals, particulates? So yeah, tell me what you think. Really weird. Okay, bye. I'll upload this in a minute when I get home. So by the time I upload this, it'll be like, I don't know, half an hour or something since experiencing this. It looks so heavy, like, wow, she must be soaked by now, but I'm not. Can you see any water? Please excuse the name of the cat food. Please excuse that, because I know it's blasphemous. Isn't it just typical in this satanic, this matrix that we live in, that they would call their cat food sheba? And our cat, she is extraordinarily fussy, like all cats are, and she insists on having this brand because it's a posh one. But look, you can see it's not wet. Well, not really. It's not really. There might be, oh look, there's a little spray. Can you see that on the box? But come on, right? I should be looking at, wait a minute, looking at this, I should be absolutely saturated now, and I'm not. So, any ideas, guys? All right, bye.